Hello everybody, this is Angelina with you from Smart One Technology, and today I want to teach you about mining. I want to teach you how to get real money for $1 to $100 fast in a few days, okay? Before we do that, if you are new on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, don't forget to thumbs up and notification button so you can always be updated with the new videos that I put here, that I made for you, how to get real money fast and buy the internet without putting any money here. Okay, so let's start. The site will be in the description below, so you can log in and register. So this is the name of the site, Wawex. Okay, now if you want to sign in, you will have to put sign up. Okay, you will have to when you get to the site first, you will have this point of view. Okay, let's see here, get 500 gigahertz bonus. Okay, that's what they will tell you, but you will not exactly get that, so I will tell you what you will get. You will get 250 speed gigahertz for Bitcoin, 150 for Doge, and 100 for dollar. So you will get it fast, and you will get improving it faster when you have referrals. Okay, for every one referral you will get 25 power for GHz gigahertz. Okay, so after you put here, they will tell you to log in, to register. I already have login because I'm like you see here, I'm logged out. I'm logged in, so I can get logged out if I want to. Okay, let's skip that. Now it's very important that you put your real mail and password that you'll never forget. So here you can see this is the way how much you will earn money. Okay, until I get $1, I will stay on 1% that I will earn every time 1%. Okay, when I get $1, I will get 2%, and that's how it goes. So now, like you see, thank you for being with us, blah blah blah. Okay, let's get down for business. Here you see automatically it will start to mining your money. For Bitcoin you will get 250 gigahertz per second, here 150 gigahertz per second for Doge, and here for dollar 100 per second. So 250, 150 and 100, it's have to be 500 gigahertz for free that you get. Okay, and now if you want to see how you can get faster gigahertz, so there's two ways. The number one is you will have to put on a bonus. Every 1 hour you have a bonus to try, and every bonus you can get 1 gigahertz to 25 gigahertz. Here's something like this. Okay, here's something of the mining. If it's for Bitcoin, if it's for Doge, he will give you whatever you see that you have to get. Okay, see here, get a random bonus from $1 1 gigahertz to 25 gigahertz every hour. If I put here right now, I will see here the bonus that I will get the bonus. Okay, I got 1647 gigahertz per second more for BTC. Now that I have 250, I will have more right now. 250 and more 60, I will have 266. Okay, let's see. and I will get here once again an hour and more. I will get more after an hour. Now I will put mining. I will get down to the mining settings. Now you can see here 266.47 per second. Now I can get that's more faster, and the other way is more experience, more good, that you can get referral by your account. Okay, so if you want to get referral by your account, this is the account, that my account. Okay, so I will put my real account below, because this is the account for testing. I already have an account that have more than 1000 gigahertz speed. So here I'm getting to the partner, and I'm getting here my referral link. That is the other account. I tried it for test for you to show you how it works. So here you can see I don't have any referrals, I don't have active referrals, I don't have any received gigahertz for any referrals, because I didn't do that, and I don't want to do that because it's not good for the site. The site tells you not to do that, and I will show you right now where it's written. I saw it before. One second. It's very important that you should know what you can do, what you can't do, okay? Where it was written, I don't remember. I saw it. Okay, that's not important so much, but you have to know you can't do any referral by your site. Okay, so it's very important that you know that you don't do any referral by your site, by your referral account, so you can be blocked. Okay, you must know that, and that's it for this thing that you have to know. So the other thing that important you have to know is how to withdraw and what's the minimum of the withdrawal that you have. Okay, let me show you. Let's go back. Now in my mining, you have here the withdraw, your partner, that you can see your link and if you have any referrals. So withdraw, where you can withdraw money. Okay, right now I get below, and you can see you can do Bitcoin by 4 payment systems: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and for dollar there are two types of ways: PRUSD and PMUSD. I don't understand really what that means, but it's okay. For Bitcoin you can minimum withdraw 0.0005, for Doji 500.0 Doji, and for dollar is $1 minimum. So the dollar is the best that you can do. So that's all of the site. I wish it was good for you and you learned a new thing and new mining site. So if you want really to earn money, this is the way. This is the fastest way that I know, that you don't do nothing, just put the computer for mining sites and leave it working alone. You go to work, go to friends, and a lot of that you can do. Just keep your site mining. That's all for now. If you like my video, don't forget to thumbs up. Okay, so have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.